everyone, my name is Riddhi Bhatkal and today I am going to show you how to make a chocolate chip brownie. You could use this brownie as the base of your ice cream sundae or even as the base of your sizzling brownie. I hope you like this video and happy eating. So to make the brownie, all you need is your egg beater, 225 grams of brown sugar. If you don't have brown sugar, you can also use white sugar or half of brown, half of white. 170 grams of maida that I have sieved, 115 grams of butter, 2 eggs, vanilla essence, 170 grams of chocolate which you need to melt either on a double boiler or in your oven, and chocolate chips. You could also use walnuts or any other kind of nuts that you like. You also need a flat tray. You could either put butter paper on it like I did, or you could grease the tray with butter. First things first, you need to melt the chocolate and keep it aside to cool because you cannot add hot chocolate to the mixture. Once the chocolate is melted, you need to cream the butter and the sugar together. You could use a hand blender or you could use your whisk to do this. Once you have creamed the butter and sugar, it's going to look something like this. And then over here I have beat the eggs and kept, which you need to add to this mixture, and then just give it a gentle stir with your spatula. Once you have mixed in the egg, the mixture is going to look something like this, and at this stage you add in the vanilla essence. Once that you have added the butter, sugar, vanilla essence and egg together, you need to start putting the flour in 1 spoon at a time, and you need to fold it in. So you go round twice and then you cut it. So you go round twice and then you cut it. And you continue doing this till you add in all the flour. Once you have added flour into the batter, it's going to look something like this. So it's going to turn into a thick batter, and then you need to add the chocolate to it. Now we add all the chocolate in, and again we fold it in. So we go round twice. And now for the best part of it, the chocolate chips. You can put as much as you like. There's no harm with that. Now we will put the batter into the lined tray and then put it in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. You need to keep checking it to see whether it's done or no. You need to just flatten it out evenly into the tray so it cooks evenly. It's going to look something like this, and then I'm going to top it with a little more chocolate chip because why not?